Starting a new job can be really exciting, but also a little bit overwhelming. You're gonna be meeting new people, learning about this new job, new responsibilities, and how to be a great employee in this new position. We want to make this transition a little bit smoother for you guys, so we're going to be sharing you a few tips on how you guys can be successful in your first 30, 60, and 90 days of your new job. In your first 30 days of the job, you should try to really leave a first good impression. Show up on time, dress the part, ask really good questions, get to know the job, and get to know your coworkers. We also encourage that you meet with your manager, talk to them about this new job, your new responsibilities, how you can be successful in this role, and about the company in general. In the first 60 days, it is important that you provide updates and next steps on this plan that you previously created. It's also a great chance for you to assess your role and your responsibilities and see how you can add more value to this position. By this point, you probably have a better grasp of this whole position, the responsibilities, and how you can be successful in it. You should know some of your strengths and some of your weaknesses and where you need to really improve on. Remember, don't be afraid to ask for more help. After your first 90 days with the company, we recommend that you talk to your boss or manager about your time there. Don't be afraid to bring up any ideas in this conversation or any upcoming goals or accomplishments that you really want to push for. With that being said, good luck in your new position. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. As always, if you guys want more information, text hello to 335577 or head to getschool.com. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.